Oh, where did that come from? You guys, I'm in serious trouble. I can't stop burping. Sorry, Coach.
Winner!
Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah! Woo, winner! Before a race and after a race, Atomic Bubbly Soda is my go-to soda pop. Go, 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 go. It's energizing, it's refreshing, and it's atomically popping. It comes in flavors of grape, orange, and now introducing strawberry flavor. Be sure to buy Atomic Bubbly Soda at your next visit to the grocery store.
Cut! Excellent job, Jaxon. The burps were a nice touch. It adds emphasis to the atomic bubbly part.
Oh yeah, the burp comes naturally. That soda's atomically popping. Woo!
Well, we are proud to be your sponsors this season, Jaxon. You are doing a mighty fine job racing, and if you win more races this next season, then I see more money and commercials heading your way.
Thank you, sir.
Ooh, moolah, the money will roll in. I'm proud of you for landing another sponsor, Jaxon. Now, don't forget, tonight is the annual Racing Car Networking Banquet. It's a formal, very professional event. It's a way for you to land more sponsorship deals and to represent my team. Now, remember, while you're there, you will be representing not only the team, but me. You'll be meeting sponsors, other teams, our rival teams, and the owners of the Car Racing League will be there. In other words, all the important people will be there. I expect you and the other men on the team to be on your best behavior and to act like gentlemen. No shenanigans.
No shenanigans. I promise, sir.
Good. And remember, since you won the Racing Car Star of the Year last year, you will be giving an important speech tonight in front of the entire Car Racing League, in front of all of the important cars.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
All right, I'll see you tonight. And keep drinking our soda.
Huh?
The Atomic Bubbly Soda. Hold it all night. Keep sipping it all night. We want the entire car racing community to know that we are your sponsor and that you are using our product.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Well, hello, Jaxon. I see fishing is out for today.
Yeah, I have to get ready for the banquet, but we can grab a lunch.
Yay! Lunch! I love lunch almost as much as I love dinner. And I love dinner more than supper. Buddy, it's the same thing. What is? Dinner and supper, they're the same. Never mind. So, are you ready for the banquet tonight?
I have my speech ready. It only took 3 hours to write. Actually, Captain Buddy, I could use you two for tonight.
For support?
No, to keep an eye out on Josh. Josh always has a camera in my face while trying to embarrass me, and somehow he always succeeds at embarrassing me and scaring me. So can you two keep him away from me?
Done. Yeah, what he said, done. What's done? Well, hello, fisherman. Why don't you come on in to the barnacle and have my special popper beans platter?
Oh no, nope, no beans for me. Remember what happened last time? Oh, where did that come from? Too much soda.
Jaxon, may I remind you, you must drink our soda all night. People will be watching you all night, and you're our star, representing our product. So, have at it.
I'm getting sodaed out. Here goes nothing.
Wait a minute. That didn't scare you?
Nope.
So, Jaxon, what will you do to embarrass yourself tonight? Boys! I'm warning you, no shenanigans tonight, especially in front of the owners and our rival teams. Sup, everybody? It's Lark in the house. And Lark, no temper tantrums, please. I never throw a tantrum. Oh, yeah? Tell me about the time you were fouled out of last year's game and had to pay $25,000 in fines. Tell us about it. You know what, Josh? I'll throw you like I threw that basketball. Boys! You two behave. Now be good. Uh-oh. Camera crew. Hello, Team McAllister. What are you most looking forward to tonight? Well, of course, the wonderful company. The food! I agree, the food's gonna be good. Jaxon, what are you most looking forward to tonight?
Oh, I look forward to drinking more of my new sponsor soda, Atomic Bubbly Soda.
Sounds like you're enjoying your new product. Thank you for your time, gentlemen. Jaxon! I'm enraged that you would purposely burp on live TV.
It was an accident, sir.
Jaxon! No one accidentally burps. Oh, there's the other members of the team, Luigi and Guy. Luigi, Guy, you're late by 5 minutes. Sorry, sir. Hey, Jaxon.
What's up, Luigi?
Hey, you remember my wife Juanita, right? Hola, Jaxon. How have you been?
Good. Nice to see you.
Oh, excuse you. Yikes. Hey, Jaxon, that had quite the force. Haha. One day we should compete in a burp-off. No burp-offs! Ever! Not here! Not anywhere! Ever! There's my wife. Hi, honey. Hello, team. Congratulations, Jaxon. I hear you won Racing Car Star of the Year. I just can't wait to hear your speech.
Oh boy. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh! Jaxon! I'm ashamed of you, burping in front of a lady at a formal banquet. Shame on you.
But Coach, it was an accident. Honest.
Here's what you're going to do. Go to the bathroom, let all the burps out, then, once you've deflated yourself, you'll come back here and be the gentleman I know you are. You really made Cage mad like a hornet tonight.
I can't help it, Guy. It's the soda. My sponsor's making me drink it all night so I can advertise the product.
Let me read that label. Oh no. You better pretend just to drink it. According to the label, it has 100 times the carbonation of regular soda.
What? Oh no!
Looks like Jaxon found a way to embarrass himself. Coach is going to blow up. Another burp, another one.
Josh, you old maggot, get out of here.
This is gonna be sweet. Hey, Josh, go be a pest to someone else.
Man, what took you guys so long to get here?
Buddy had to stop at the pet store. They were giving away free cockatoos. I wanted one.
You guys, I'm in serious trouble. I can't stop burping. It's the soda.
Comrade, do not drink that soda.
I have to. The sponsor wants me to. I need one of you to keep Josh and his camera away from me, and the other to get me some food that will help settle my stomach.
We're on it, buddy. You go get Jaxon some anti-burp food, and I'll babysit Josh. Okay, but I have to get home to feed my new bird. I'm gonna name my new bird Birdie. Very creative. Josh, don't you point that camera this way. Feeling better, Jaxon?
I wish.
It's the owners of our racing sport. Look alive and be a gentleman. Hello, sir and madam. It's a pleasure to gather together today and to fellowship with you this evening. The pleasure is ours, Mr. Pooley McAllister. Your team has been quite remarkable this year. Jaxon, aren't you going to greet the owners of our sport?
Nice to see you again, sir. And madam?
Way to make an impression! It's Monster Burping Jaxon! I'll take that camera if it's the last thing I do! Jaxon!
Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me.
Better walk away before I blow an artery. Hey, is everything okay so far?
Coach is hot as a firework right now.
Okay, so I brought you all the good foods to settle your stomach.
Ah, thanks, man. Let's hope I can redeem myself. I think my coach is one burp away from blowing up. What's this?
Oh yeah, it's broccoli, cabbage, cheese, french fries. Oh yeah, and fried chicken too. That's good for you. Onions and apples. According to the internet, these foods will settle your stomach and therefore decrease your burping.
Thanks, man. Good stuff.
Hey, Jaxon, go easy on that stuff, man. We're gonna eat a big dinner in 15 minutes.
Well, I'll be fine.
Haha, you sound like a monster. Which is that guy okay? Yeah, he just can't handle his gas.
Hey, buddy, are you sure you got the right food?
Jaxon, I'm offended that you have to question my intelligence. Why do you ask?
Because my stomach feels bloated. It's hurting worse. And I feel...
Whoa. That felt like an aftershock.
Sorry, Coach, buddy. I'm burping more now.
Oops!
Why'd you say oops?
I accidentally gave you all the foods that make burping and gas worse. Sorry.
Bunny!
Oof! Ew! That one reeked! Jaxon, being the gentleman you are, I want to introduce you to the CEO of our sport and his wife and their young son. They specifically asked to meet you.
That's a cool car.
Jaxon, my son enjoys watching you race. You're a real inspiration for my young lad.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure to meet you and your family.
Oh, baby. Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, baby. Disgrace. Disgrace to our sport.
Sorry.
Jaxon! I'm warning you! Hey, you must be Jaxon. I'm a former racer myself. I just started my own company. We make everything that has to do with cats. We have cat toys, cat food, cat blankets, cat beds, cat pencils, cat erasers, cat beanies, even cat comforters and duvets. All things cats. How about you let us sponsor you and you advertise our product? Are you okay? You seem nervous.
Oh boy!
Whoa! Right on! That's some G-force!
Meow, 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 meow. We came back. Sponsor us.
Sounds like a winner. That does it. I'm throwing this out. Any more burps and I'll start a gale force wind.
I wouldn't do that. If you throw out our product, then we'll throw out your sponsorship. Understand?
Oh boy. Nope. I feel sick to my stomach. All that food and soda. Ew. This isn't good. I'm about to burp.
Jaxon, you better behave. One of our rival teams is heading our way. Make me look good.
Yes, sir.
Ah, if it isn't Coach Pulley and Jaxon, star racer and star coach. Well, your team may have won last year, but you won't be victorious anymore. We know you're cheating. Yeah, there's no way one car could win that many races without cheating. So, Jaxon, what's your secret?
I'm sorry.
What's wrong with that car? Come back here! Missed!
Sorry, Coach.
I'll get you.
Dinner time! Oh, honey, you seem tense. Why don't we go sit down, and that way your blood pressure doesn't get too high. Come now, honey.
Oh, this is a good meal. Oh, yes.
More pie.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's a pleasant meal. Oh, this is good. More pie for me. I love getting free meals. I'm not even supposed to be here. I'm not a racer. Buddy! Jaxon, you haven't taken a single bite. It is rude not to eat the host's food.
I'm just not hungry, Coach. I'll eat anyway.
You better be a gentleman when you give your speech. If you so much as slip one burp out, I'll catapult you from here to Kalamazoo! Hey, Jaxon! What does Kalamazoo mean?
I don't know, but it doesn't sound good.
Oh, honey, have some cake. It'll calm you down.
Yo.
Jaxon, dear, how do you like the food?
That guy is so cool! Lark! But Coach, Jaxon did it too! I know. That's why I'm sending him to planet Neptune tomorrow. Jaxon, tone it down.
I can't. No. Excuse me. Sorry.
I don't know why everybody's so gassy.
Now, as we eat, it's time for a very special car to come up and give a speech.
Oh boy.
He's won the award of Racing Car Star of the Year from the Coach McAllister team. It's Jaxon!
Woo! Trip!
Oh no. I swallowed a dozen sodas. This is going to be trouble. Thank you all. Thank you all for voting for me to win this award. Hey, I'm doing great.
Good. Now continue your speech.
Yes, sir, Coach. I'm so grateful to be part of McAllister's team. I'm proud of how I raced last year, and I'll continue with the same drive, determination, and skill. Oh no! Thank you to my teammates and coaches. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm a sponsor of Atomic Bubbly Soda. In fact, I have some here. It's a great soda. Sorry, I'm just a little gassy. Oh wow, where'd that come from? I didn't even have
Missed again. What's an armadillo doing here? Uh-oh. Whoa! What happens if I do this? Earthquake! Earthquake! By the by. Good pie. Earthquake! My cockatoo! He's loose! Come back, friend, my new pet! Come back!
I'm sorry, Coach. On the bright side, I'm burp free now.
Well, considering you set off fire alarms and car alarms and scared everyone away, night is over. You sure know how to clear out a room.
Let me guess. You're sending me to Kalamazoo tomorrow?
Yep.
Coach!
Your sponsors gave me one of your sodas. Go, 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 go. All right, I'll see you tonight at the dinner.
Whoa, Coach!